So here's a lovely Tuono 663 660 factory. So top spec for one of these, a few nice bits and bobs on it. Really good condition throughout. So it's got the Evotech pallet stand bobbins and swing arm protector. The adjustable shock on it. Really, like I say, very tidy bike. Not been down or anything like that. It's got those really big Evotech crash bungs. Evotech lever protector. Comes as standard with the Brembo master cylinder, Brembo brakes. Factory model, so better than the standard. It's got the Evotech full protectors. Loads of life on the front tyre. Dark screen. Evotech bar ends. It's got a quick shifter. So it's got a tail tidy. It's got the seat cowl. Got the rear seat, got all the standard parts, got the tank grips on it. Make it just much more comfortable to ride, don't slip around. How many miles it done? Onboard computer, 2232 miles. Got cruise control, traction control, anti-wheelie, riding modes, and commute at the moment, so it's probably where it's mostly been used. Daytime riding lights as well. Starts on the button, sounds very nice. So lovely, tidy, very low mileage, 660 factory. Absolute blast to ride. Also comes with this box fix. So there's the seat and rear pegs, some nuts and bolts in there, original tail ends, original bar ends, and again more nuts and bolts. So that'll all come with it.